Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Dudette, what up? It's your boy Dude Mungus, and today we're back with another Mungus tip. Since the last Mungus tip that I uploaded about the GoPro remote, I got some questions about some of the features, so I just want to go over some of that with you guys. One of the questions I was asked, oh, the GoPro is off right now. It's not on or anything. So one of the questions I was asked is, can you cut the GoPro on from the camera if the GoPro itself is off? So once your GoPro is synced up and paired together, yes, you can. You see, I just cut the remote on. It just, I guess, did its opening process. And so if you want to click the remote, if you want to click the GoPro on literally at this point, you just hit the button and just give it a second and it will cut the camera on, and it will, I was hoping I wouldn't have to fast forward so you guys can see it. It'll cut the camera on and you're good to go. And then it'll just take it a second to finish connecting. Now, I will admit this camera and remote isn't 100% flawless. It does have its quirks. It will occasionally disconnect, but it works more than it doesn't work. So let's say out of 10 times, it's probably going to be perfect 8 out of 10 times. And then those 2 times it mess up, you know, it is what it is. And sometimes it'd be a moment where you really need it, but it's really not that hard to connect it back. If you need to, you can just cut everything off and cut it back on. It'll literally take a couple of seconds. But something else I want to go over, just a couple features real quick about this remote. You have these 2 buttons on the side right here. So you got this button. It's hard to focus yet. So the bottom button is mode. So you hit mode and it'll literally take you through. Now you're in photo mode. Now you're in time-lapse mode. Now you're back to 360 mode. So this makes it really quick and easy to change on the fly, and it's super convenient. Now this top button with the camera on, it will switch you from 360 mode to regular hero mode. So now it's just filming just one angle. It's filming. It's not filming in 360. And then hit the button again and you'll see the little world, which means you're back in 360 mode. You can also pair new. You can pair it up to 5 different cameras. You can have them all record at the same time. Also for orientation, it's just how you want it to be turned, just depending on how you're going to be used the remote. So 0 is just straight up and down. 90, you'll see it'll turn. Go back the other way. 180. You get what I'm saying. So you get the gist of what's going on. After that, it's pretty basic. Compare new, orientation, language, and reset to start with something new. But that's pretty much it. Those are the features of the GoPro remote. It just makes it super convenient. Makes it a lot easier and problem free. And another thing I love about this remote, and I know I said it in the last video, is when you start recording, it lets you know you're recording. You see the light flashing, which is a great indicator that you're recording, and you see the time, rolling. So I'm in 360 mode, 5.6K, 30 frames a second. I have 8 hours left, and I'm at 15, 16, 17 seconds now. So it makes it super easy, super convenient for this remote. And I know I've made this video before, but trust me, man, this is what you want. But anyway, that's my Mungus tip for you guys today, man. Look, man, y'all keep rocking with your boy. You know what it is. One shot, dead shot. DudeMungus.
No monkey.
Blue chocolate. Thank you for watching, dudes.
No monkey. No monkey.
Thank you for watching, dudes.
No monkey.
We got the bat, baby. We are here at Kaler Made. They are doing a dyno day today.